We're here at the bridge. Papunta kami ng Dolomite Beach. Ayan. Ayan yung beach nila. Going to the beach. We're here at Dolomite. Nice it again. Hi. Dito tayo sa Dolomite Beach. The beach near at the city. Oh, na yan ang nagpa-picture sa. Na yun ang aming hotel, oh. We're here at Dolomite.
Pinunta namin dito. Nasilip lang naman sa pintana. Dolomite pala yung baba.
Hindi akalain. Hindi kami prepared. Wala kaming nadalang swimsuit for today's video. Saan nakakita yung sunset? Ano?